Have you ever walked into the gym and wondered, what the am I supposed to do? Have been so overwhelmed, you didn't know what was going on. If you ever felt like that, this video is for you. My mom came up to Atlanta for Christmas and we talked about her fitness goals and her goals and how she wanted to transform her life and how she wants to start working out, but when she goes to the gym, she doesn't know what to do. She doesn't know how to work the machines, and she just feel overwhelmed and have anxiety because, again, she don't know what to do. So I made this video for her and people like her who want to navigate the gym and want to go to the gym and do something that's very beneficial for themselves. If you're not going to the gym because you're nervous and you don't want to appear like you don't know what you're doing, you're holding yourself back. A lot of us started off like that. If there had been cameras around when I started off in the gym, boy, I'd have been on hella social media pages, just doing whatever. So those are just the growing pains of starting something new. You're gonna look crazy, but you gotta get over the feeling of embarrassment to get to the advancement and elevation in yourself. So I created this program, full body program, where you'll be working out 3 to 4 days, training your upper body and your lower body, making sure that you're building muscle and you're doing enough to get your body moving. It's gonna be very beneficial for people who want to build strength, who want to tone their body. One of the things she talked about is she wants to strengthen her arms, she wants to lose belly fat. So of course we'll be giving her a nutrition plan, which you can download by clicking the link below and using this program to build some muscle over time, get a deeper calorie deficit, and help build her confidence, give her a plan that she can follow, and something that reinforces the benefits of strength training while she's in the gym. The thing about being new to the gym that I want to like everybody to understand is you pay not gym rent. You pay your gym membership like everybody else. You're entitled to the space just as much as everybody else. And a lot of times you can just ask for help. The gym is a place for people who want to better themselves. And 99% of the time, nobody's gonna look at you and say, this motherfucker don't know what he's doing, and laugh at you. More times than not, it's not gonna happen. So if you're ever in the gym and you're confused about what to do, just ask how to work the machine. Well, I guess that's the point of hiring a trainer. Or you can follow this video. Take this video with you to the gym. If you got a phone, you'll always have this video. And this is gonna help you navigate the gym. We're not gonna do too many exercises. We're gonna do 3 to 5 exercises max. The sets and reps are gonna be given in a video, and it's gonna help make the process of navigating the gym a lot easier. I want you to build confidence. I want you to build structure, and overall walk into the place knowing what to do, how to get it done, and you can look and feel like you actually belong in the gym. I would much rather take on the feeling of being embarrassed than sitting back saying, I wish I woulda, coulda, shoulda. You know, now's the time to elevate, get out our own way, and 1, reach out for help, or 2, use a resource to help us navigate this thing. So this video is for y'all. Pay attention to it, stop it, play it, and it's a whole program. You can use this program every week. I would run this for like 4 to 6 weeks, and just continue to build with this. The sets and reps are going to be given. I'll show you guys how to progress. I'll teach you guys how to progress it, and if it's very helpful, just share it with somebody who can really use it. So it's your boy, Coach Dro, checking out. If you like this video, make sure you follow and subscribe. So the program is set up, it's gonna be split up in days, right? So day 1, you're gonna do 3 rounds of each exercise, and you're gonna do 15 reps on the first set, 12 reps on the second set, 10 reps on the third set. With each set, you wanna make sure that you're pushing close to failure. And what I mean by that is, you're gonna go until you can maybe get 2 to 3 more reps, all right? 2 to 3 more reps. If you feel like you can do way more than 15, then the weight is too light. If you get to 15 and feel like you can do like maybe 2 or 3 more reps, that rep range is really good, and we want to keep that number in mind, okay? On the second set, we're going to increase the weight a little bit and do the same concept. If I feel like I can get way more than 10 to 12 reps, it's too light. If I can get right at 12 and maybe I can get 2 to 3 more, it's good. And then on the last round, you're going to increase the weight again and do the same thing. We call this a reverse pyramid. This is gonna help you build endurance. This is gonna help you gauge how much better, how much more weight you can do, and overall build a good amount of strength. This is a great program I like to use for my beginners and even some of my intermediate athletes who come in and train. And just shows you how you can progress with higher or lower rep ranges. With any given rep range, you want to make sure that your form is good, that you're feeling the muscle that you're supposed to work, and you're not overreaching by doing too much all at once. Now you can scale up and scale down if you need it, and overall, you'll have a better training experience. Okay. Included in this program, we're going to do one upper body push exercise, one upper body pull exercise, and one leg exercise each day. At least one leg exercise each day. Again, you want to take these reps close to failure, and it's going to help you get more in tune with your body. At the end of the week is when we'll do our body weight work. We're going to use our free weight and body weight work. That is going to put us in the mix of learning how to use our body and move within our body. I feel like most athletes, I consider everybody who I train athletes, right? So most athletes know how to move well with their body, and now we're going to impart this experience onto you. I want you to use these exercises and record yourself, film yourself, so that way it can look exactly how I'm doing it, right? You want to make sure that you're hitting the body parts that you're supposed to hit, you're feeling what you're supposed to feel, and overall you're having, again, a good training experience.